Have you moved to the farm for the first time and are needing to learn to work with your partner or husband? Have you sometimes felt like you don't know where to start with working with your husband on the farm? Trying to negotiate the farm, the family, and the business, sometimes it can all be a little bit overwhelming. Working with your farmer on farm, working with your partner on farm can be a rewarding experience, but it also comes with its challenges. Here are a few tips and tricks and hacks to be able to work better with your partner on farm. Communication is key. Open and honest communication is absolutely essential for any successful partnership relationship when working on farm together. Discuss roles, responsibilities, expectations, plans, and concerns. Openly communicating these will avoid a lot of miscommunications, which can be a big part of working on the farm with your family. Respecting tradition. When we first move to the farm, we need to learn what the tradition is on the farm. That is roles, jobs, processes, how do things work. Finding out this will help us transition onto the farm for the first time much smoother. So sometimes it's easier to have a backward seat to start with, learn a little bit about the role and the family and how things are done before trying to put in our own rules or processes on how we think things should be done. By respecting the families, sometimes deep-rooted traditions, particularly if it's a multi-generational farm, will really help. Respect these traditions while staying open to new ideas and innovations. Expect that these may not be accepted straight away, but know that your skills, ideas, and background will really help contribute to the future of the farm. Eventually, define roles. Clarify each person's role on farm to avoid any conflicts. This will also ensure efficiency down the track. Determine who will handle which tasks, whether it's livestock, cropping, irrigation, maintenance, finances, and other administration duties, as well as lots of other roles on the farm. It's up to each individual partnership to work out how broad or how limited that roles and expectations are and how tightly bound they're going to be. Support each other. Farming can be physically and emotionally demanding. Supporting our partner, especially during the busy seasons, is absolutely important. It will stop any setbacks and it will help share the load in those stressful times. Celebrate the successes that you've had as a partnership, as working together, and as the farm comes along. This is not only big things such as awards or accolades that the farm may get. It may also be the smaller wins that you get. Finishing mustering a paddock correctly without issue for the first time. It may be getting your first sale. It may be getting the bumper crop that you've been working so hard towards season in and season out. Celebrating these successes together and offering encouragement will really help bind your relationship and build on for the future to come of the farm. Continued learning, staying informed about advancements in agriculture, sustainability, practices, and different marketing trends will help your farm no matter the enterprise. Knowing and keeping in touch with these will help you be able to reach markets and goals you may not have previously been able to. Attending workshops, seminars, and conferences together may also help build your relationship on and off farm, build your farming network, and be able to really give great experiences that you and your partner will be able to reflect on together. Expanding your knowledge together will also help you stay on the same page. and improve the farm management practices and systems as you grow together on farm. We've touched on this a little bit earlier, but I do also want to mention again celebrating achievements. I cannot overstate that any more than I have. Recognizing and celebrating achievements, no matter how small, or whether it's successful in harvest, whether it's the birth of a new animal, of a new breeding line, whether that is, your sheep lines or your cattle lines, your goat lines, whatever it is, celebrate those lives, celebrate those successes, as well as reaching milestones. This could be personal, family, farm-based, you name it, celebrate them. Give them acknowledgement. These will not only help you bind and build together, but it will also make sure that you feel full, you feel achieved, you feel as if you have really started making headway in your relationship and on the farm. It will also help with gratitude. When you stop to celebrate the little things as well as the big things, that sense of achievement, that a sense of what you are doing matters, really builds and becomes quite full. By implementing these tips, tricks, and hacks, you can cultivate a strong personal relationship with your significant other, personally, relationship wise, family wise, and farming wise, leading to that fulfillment and successful farming experience that we are all striving for. Thanks everyone for being here. I'll see you next time.